fire is what made us human. Well, at least most of us. Welcome back to Absolute Chefing. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this Middle Eastern delicacy. It's called the mutabal, a spiced up version of bab ganoush. It's totally vegetarian. It can be vegan if you skip one ingredient, and absolutely healthy. I've been getting requests to prepare vegetarian dishes. So here you go, let's see how to do it.
First off, get your grill nice and hot, 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Your first and the main ingredient, eggplant. Poke some holes on it and let it be on the grill until the skin is nice and charred. And this eggplant is a very versatile vegetable because of its ability to absorb the fat and the flavors. With a very neutral taste, good for your bones and a healthy heart. Next, poblano peppers, all the way from Mexico, a mild kick to it, but not too spicy. Very good when roasted. So let's roast it on the grill again with the eggplant until the skin is charred. Now drizzle a bit of olive oil on top and let it keep going. Now make a small aluminum foil pouch with some garlic, salt and olive oil. Close them up and drop it on the grill and let it roast. And flip them as it gets charred. Now that the vegetables are grilled, let's start by removing the skin. Make sure you take them all off and let it cool down just enough so you can handle it. Now roughly cut them up, keep it aside and add your roasted garlic to it. And yes, make sure to throw in that olive oil too with the garlic. Now transfer all of that in the blender and then you go pulse, 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 blend them all up. Now transfer that into a mixing bowl and then add 2 tablespoonfuls of yogurt and then 2 tablespoonfuls of tahini. In case you don't know where to find tahini, it's easy to make at home. All you need is white sesame seed. Toast them and then ground them into a fine paste. That's all about it. Now, keep that on the side and get some fresh parsley and chop them nice and fine. Make sure to use a sharp knife because the blunt knife will crush them and taste like grass. You don't need that. Now add that into the mix. Now it's time to add some freshly squeezed lemon juice and salt. Now we can mix them to combine them all together. Now let's keep that on the side and get the poblano chili and remove the skin, all of it. Once the skin is all done, let's cut them open and remove the seeds from it. Now let's cut them into strips, nice and thin, and then season them with just salt. That got enough kick to it. All you need is a touch of salt. And then let's see how to put them all together. Get your mutabal ready in a bowl. Some nice and crispy pita chips. Drizzle of olive oil. Sprinkle some parsley. And dig in. And yes, the most important, music. Cannot miss that one.
Now I hope you liked it. The addition of poblano chili is just an addition to spice it up from my side. You can always skip it if you don't like chilies. Now the tip for today for the young chefs out there. They say common sense is not that common, but that's all you see in a professional kitchen. So make sure you have a lot of it. Being logical is the one most important thing that you want to be in this particular trade. You must have a clear idea and proper reasoning behind every action you take. That goes hand in hand with prioritizing your duties and managing your time. You will get really good at it, and your job demands it. That's it, short and simple. I'll see you guys next week with more tips and an amazing recipe. Until then, stay put, stay safe, bye.